Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6C from chapter Solving Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. So, moving on to question number 4. A car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. Had the speed been 12 km per hour more, the time taken for the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. Find the original speed of the car. Now there is a car and it has certain speed. Okay, so let the original speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. Okay, so original speed S1 is x kilometer per hour. Okay, a car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. Distance is 400 km. Alright, so what will be the time? Now speed is equal to distance upon time. We know this. We need to find time. So the one that we have to find will shift on one side. Okay, so it will go in numerator and all the knowns we'll put on one side. So distance is known, speed is known. Okay, so time is distance upon speed. So distance is 400, speed is x. Alright, so when the speed is x kilometer per hour, distance is 400, what is the time taken? Time will be 400 upon x r. ठीक है? Now, had the speed been 12 km per hour more, the time taken for the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. Had the speed been 12 km per hour more, so x plus 12 new speed S2 is x plus 12 km per hour. Alright, now distance will be same. Okay, distance has not changed, so distance is 400 km. Speed is more, time would be less. So what will be T2? It will be D upon S2, that is 400 upon x plus 12 hours. Okay, here the speed was less, denominator is less, so time is more. Here denominator is more, so time is less. राइट, न्यूमरेटर चेक करो, न्यूमरेटर सेम है, डिनोमिनेटर x है, यहाँ पे x plus 12 है. सो विच डिनोमिनेटर इज मोर, x और x plus 12? x इज गोइंग टू बी पॉजिटिव, सो x एंड x plus 12 में x plus 12 ज़्यादा है. सो व्हेन डिनोमिनेटर इज मोर, ऑटोमेटिकली टाइम विल बी लेस. द आंसर दैट यू गेट इज लेस. सो T2 is less and your T1 is more. Okay, so 1 hour 40 minutes is the time difference. Okay, so time difference is 1 hour 40 minutes. This is hour, this is in minutes. We have to change it to hour because यहाँ पे आवर्स में है, यहाँ पे आवर्स में है, तो यहाँ पे मिनट्स नहीं रख सकते, हम लोग को उसको आवर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स कन्वर्ट इट. दिस वन विल रिमेन एज इट इज. प्लस 40 मिनट्स है, सो 40 इंटू और डिवाइडेड. मिनट्स इज स्मॉलर, आर इज बिगर. स्मॉलर टू बिगर, छोटा टू बड़ा. यू विल डिवाइड. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स मेक 1 hour? 60 minutes. ऑल राइट, so 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So we get 1 plus 2 by 3, that is nothing but 3 plus 2 by 3, 5 by 3. ठीक है, hours. So time difference is 5 by 3 hours. Now time difference is basically what? T1 minus T2, more minus less. Always take more minus less, not less minus more. Okay, यहाँ पे RHS पॉजिटिव है तो LHS भी पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. सो T1 इज मोर एंड T2 इज लेस, सो मोर माइनस लेस, that is T1 minus T2. What is T1? It is 400 upon x. What is T2? It is 400 upon x plus 12. It is equal to 5 by 3. All right. So it's very easy. We are following the same pattern. All right. So it's very, very easy. So let us now write down the given in proper manner and start solving. So we have assumed the original speed of the car to be x kilometer per hour. New speed is 12 kilometer more. So x plus 12 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now when the speed is x kilometer per hour, what will be the time taken, and when the speed is x plus 12, what will be the time taken? Okay, so when the speed is x kilometer per hour, distance is 400, so distance upon speed gives time, that is 400 upon x hours is the time taken. Over here same thing, using the same formula. So distance is also same, the only change is speed, so time will change accordingly. Time हो जाएगा 400 upon x plus 12 hours. Okay, now which one is greater, which one is smaller? डिनोमिनेटर जिसका ज़्यादा है वो स्मॉलर होगा, ऑपोजिट. तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है तो टाइम विल बी मोर, स्पीड कम है तो टाइम विल बी मोर, यहाँ पे स्पीड ज़्यादा है तो टाइम विल बी लेस. ओके, सो T1 इज मोर एंड T2 इज लेस. ऑल राइट. So time difference is 1 hour 40 minutes. We converted it to hours. Now time difference is what? The time of both the speeds. जब दोनों speed different है तो जो time लग रहा है that is the time difference. So T1 minus T2 more minus less is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. So first write down according to given condition. According to given condition. Full words, okay, don't use short form. Time difference is equal to 5 by 3 hours. Okay. So time difference is basically T1 minus T2. Okay. Time taken in this case, time taken in this case, so 1 hour 40 minutes का difference आ रहा है in both the time taken. Okay, so 5 by 3 basically. So T1 minus T2 is 5 by 3. Make sure you're taking more minus less and not less minus more. Okay, so T1 is 400 upon x, this is 400 upon x plus 12, so we'll make substitutions. Okay, so we'll get 400 upon x minus 400 upon x plus 12 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, check the numerators. We have big numbers. Here I can divide by 5, here I can divide by 5, here I can divide by 5. So let's divide by 5, we'll get smaller numbers. ठीक है, so numerator से निकालना है, so we'll divide. Denominator से निकालना होता तो we would multiply. ठीक है, सो न्यूमरेटर से निकालना है तो डिनोमिनेटर में सब जगह पे 5 5 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 400 अपॉन 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 400 अपॉन 5 इंटू एक्स प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 5 इंटू 3. 5 5 गेट्स कैंसल्ड, 5 8s and 0, 5 8s and 0. All right, you have to give reason dividing by 5 throughout. Okay, or multiplying by 1 by 5 throughout. All right, so we'll get 80 upon x minus 80 upon x plus 12 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, now we'll solve this. Okay, so we'll get a proper quadratic equation. So we got this. Now we'll solve the LHS first. ठीक है, तो LHS में you can take LCM. What I'm going to do is use crisscross method. So multiply the denominator with the opposite numerator. So 80 into x plus 12. Put the sign in between denominator with the opposite numerator. So 80 into x and denominator you will multiply. So x into x plus 12. Easy. Cross and the sign in between and denominator. Okay, so RHS will remain as it is. Now opening the brackets, 80x plus 80 into 12 960 हो जाएगा. Okay, minus 80x plus minus cancel हो जाएगा. here we'll get x square plus 12x is equal to 1/3. So 960 upon x square plus 12x is equal to 1/3. Now we'll cross multiply. So 960 into 3, 0, 3 6 are 18, 1, 9 3s are 27, 28. Okay, x square plus 12x. So shifting 2880 on the other side, x square plus 12x minus 2880. We'll shift all the terms in LHS. That is basically just switch the sides. ठीक है. So x square plus 12x minus 2880 is equal to 0. ठीक है. Now sum and product. Sum is plus 12, product is minus 2880. Now product is negative, it means both the factors have opposite sign. You will subtract the factors to get 12. ठीक है. So one is positive, other is negative. Now sum is positive, it means greater factor positive होगा, smaller factor will be negative. Sum का sign is greater factor का sign. Okay. Now 2880 is the number. What you can do is avoid 0 for now. 288 के factors find out करो. Okay. So 288 के factors find out करते हैं. 2 144 are. Okay. So 2 and 144 difference will not give you 12. You will not consider 2. एक 0 बाकी है. So 20 and 144 का difference 12 नहीं देगा. 2 72 are. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. 4 and 72, 4 को हम लोग 40 बना देते हैं, 0 ऐड करना है. 40 and 72 नहीं देगा. Then 2 36 are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 80 and 36 no. 2 18s are. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 160 and 18 और 16 and 180 नहीं होगा. 2 9s are. Okay, so still you will not get, difference is becoming bigger and bigger. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 and 90. Okay, and 320 and 9 नहीं होगा. So 3 3s are 3 1s are. ठीक है, we are not getting. So what we need to do is just shuffle up. Okay, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ग्रुप करते हैं. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 2s and 2 3s. ठीक है. So let's start grouping. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3, 8 3s are 24 and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी मैंने ज़ीरो लगा दिया तो डिफरेंस तो बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है, मुझे ज़ीरो भी लगाना ही है. ठीक है, तो नहीं हो सकता है. सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. ये 12 था, इसमें से एक और 2 निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है. व्हाट वील डू इज वी ग्रुप्ड दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस. राइट. अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये ग्रुपिंग में से एक और 2 निकाल देते हैं. सो वी हैव 5 2s and 2 3s. So let's take 3 and 2 only. तो 6 मिल गया. And 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 and 6 के पीछे 0 लगा देते, 2880 है. ओके, सो 60 हो गया. 48 and 60 का डिफरेंस चेक करो. It gives you 12. So greater number is 60, greater factor is 60 and smaller factor is 48. Difference gives you 12 and multiplication gives you 2880. Okay, so splitting the middle term, x square plus 60x minus 48x minus 2880 is equal to 0. So taking x common, x plus 60, यहाँ पे minus 48 common, so we are left with x plus 60. Okay, साइंस विल चेंज. दीज 2 are नेगेटिव, दोनों पॉजिटिव हो गया. ओके, 48 बाहर गया, x बचेगा. एंड 48 इंटू हाउ मच विल गिव यू 2880. वी जस्ट फाउंड 48 इंटू 60. ओके, इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस 60 इंटू x माइनस 48 इज इक्वल टू 0. So x plus 60 is equal to 0 or x minus 48 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 60 or x is equal to 48. Okay, This is not acceptable. Speed cannot be negative. So x equal to minus 60 is not acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 48. This is the original speed of the car. So therefore the original speed of the car is 48. What unit you need to write? 48 km/h. ठीक है. Don't forget to write down final statement. Don't forget the units and box the answer. Coming to next question. Question number 5. A girl goes to her friend's house, which is at a distance of 12 km. She covers half of the distance at a speed of x km/h and the remaining distance at a speed of x plus 2 km/h. If she takes 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the whole distance, find x. Now this question is little different. There is a girl who is going to a friend's house which is at a distance of 12 kilometers. So let's say she is going from house to her friend's place. Okay. All right. So she is going from A to B. Okay. And the distance is 12 km. From A to B it is 12 km. Okay. She covers half of the distance at a speed of x km/h. Half of the distance. So midway. Okay. Let's say this point is C. So half distance she is going at which speed? x km/h. तो यहाँ से यहाँ उसका speed क्या है? x. Okay. And the remaining distance at a speed of x plus 2. This one is more. So speed is x plus 2. Okay. If she takes 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the whole distance from A to B, the whole distance she covers in 2 hours and 30 minutes, find x. We have to find x, but how will we frame the equation? Speed is given, distance is given, time is given. Use that same formula. ठीक है. So from A to C. Okay. So from A to C, the speed is S1 is x km/h. ठीक है. Distance कितना हो जाएगा? C is midway, half of the distance. Okay. So A to C it is 6 kilometers, C to B it is 6 kilometers. So this is 6 kilometer, this is 6 kilometer. So distance is 6 kilometer. What will be the time? Distance upon speed. Right? Speed is distance upon time. So time क्या हो जाएगा? Distance upon speed. You know, interchanging. All right. So distance is 6, speed is x. So 6 upon x hours. ठीक है. Over here, from B to C, speed is x plus 2 km/h. Distance is again same, C to B. Half distance जो बचा है. Okay. And time will be distance upon speed. So that is 6 upon x plus 2 hours. ठीक है. Hours or hour, whatever. Now, the time taken. She takes 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the whole distance. Over here, time difference नहीं है. Okay, the difference in the time taken from here to here and here to here, time difference is normally given to you. If the speed is increased, time has decreased and so on. So that is normally given to you. But यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? The whole distance she is finishing in this much time, 2 hours 30 minutes. So the time taken from A to C plus time taken from C to B will be the total time taken. And total time is 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the entire journey. So total time from A to B is 2 hours 30 minutes. ये आवर्स में है, ये मिनट्स में है, सो मिनट्स वाला आर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 2 + 30 minute to hour, smaller to bigger, you will divide. How many minutes make 1 hour? 60 minutes. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 2 + half, that gives 5/2. ठीक है, so 5/2 hours. All right. So this is the total time taken, but A to C the time taken is this, and C to B the time taken is this. So T1 + T2 I can say is equal to this, right? So T1 is 6/x, T2 is 6/x + 2 is equal to 5/2. You just need to solve this, okay? So it's easy. The only thing is यहाँ पे time difference नहीं दिया है. The total time is given. So read the question carefully. Whole distance cover करने में इतना time लग रहा है. I'll repeat. A girl is going from her place to her friend's place, which is a distance of 12 kilometers. Half the distance she is going with this speed, and the remaining half she is going with this speed. So speed and distance पता है, speed and distance पता है, time find out करते हैं. So using the formula time is distance upon speed. So 6/x हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 6/x + 2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So this is the time taken in first half. This is the time taken in second half. Now total time is 2 hours 30 minutes. Convert it to hours completely first. वो convert कर दिया. We know total time is T1 + T2. This is the time taken from A to C, T1. T2 is the time taken from C to B, so T2. So this will give you the equation, okay? So on solving this, we'll get a proper quadratic equation. On solving quadratic equation, we'll get the value of x. So we have to find only x over here, okay? Had they told you find the time taken also, then you can easily find out. Time taken for first half journey is 6/x, and for the second half is 6/x + 2. So in case they ask you, it's easy to find that as well. So first we'll write down the given in proper manner. I have already written down the given information over here. We don't need to assume the speed to be something over here. Already it is given to us, okay? So total distance is 12 kilometer. Total time taken is 2 hours 30 minutes, which we converted to hours, okay? Now first half of the journey, what is the speed, distance and time, and for the next half what is the speed, distance and time, we'll just calculate that. So speed is x, distance is 6 kilometers, half journey है, so 12 का half 6 हो जाएगा, and time taken will be distance upon speed, that is 6/x hours, okay? I have not written the formula, you can write the formula over here. For the next half it is x + 2, speed is more, distance is same, half बाकी है, so 6 kilometers, and time taken will be 6/x + 2 hours, okay? Now total time is this. Total time is what? First half में जो time लगा है plus next half में जो time लगा है, so T1 + T2 is equal to 5/2. So just write down according to given condition. Again full words, don't use short forms, okay? Total time taken is 5/2, okay? So T1 + T2 is equal to 5/2. What is T1? T1 is 6/x, this is 6/x + 2 is equal to 5/2, okay? So now we'll solve this. So 6/x + 6/x + 2 is 5/2. This is what we got, right? Now you can take LCM. What I'm going to do is use crisscross method. So so 6 × x + 2. Put the sign in between, cross. So 6 × x upon denominator into denominator. So x × x + 2. Okay. So numerator into this denominator. Put the sign in between, numerator into this denominator, and denominator. RHS will remain as it is. So 6x + 12 plus 6x upon x square plus 2x is equal to 5 upon 2. So 12x plus 12 upon x square plus 2x is equal to 5 upon 2. Now we'll cross multiply. So 2 into 12x plus 12 is equal to 5 into x square plus 2x. So we'll get 24x plus 24 is equal to 5x square plus 10x. Okay, shifting everything in the RHS. So 5x square plus 10x minus 24x minus 24. Switching the sides, 5x square plus 10x minus 24x minus 24 equal to 0. This will become minus 14x. Okay, so minus 14x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now sum and product. Sum is minus 14. Product क्या होगा? minus 24 नहीं होगा. 5 into minus 24, right? A into C. So 5 into minus 24. Don't forget this part. Otherwise you will not get correct answer. So 5 into minus 24 is the answer. So 5 24s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12. Okay, minus 120. Product is negative. It means both the factors have opposite sign. You have to subtract the factors. So one factor is positive, other is negative. Sum will tell you sum is negative, मतलब greater number negative है. Sum का sign is greater factor का sign. Greater factor is negative, smaller factor is positive. So let's find the factors of 120. Okay, difference should be 14. So 2 60s are, difference will not give you 14. 2 30s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 and 30, no. 2 15s are, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 15, no. 3 5s are, so 8 3s are 24, 24 and 5, no. So 5 1s are, we are not getting the factors. So let's do one thing, let's shuffle, let's rearrange and try. 5 and 2 2 लेके देखते हैं. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 2 3s are 6. Yes, the difference is coming 14. So greater is negative and smaller is positive. So 5x square minus 20x plus 6x minus 24 is equal to 0. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? 5x कॉमन ले सकते हैं. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ x minus 4, राइट. यहाँ पे 6 कॉमन लेंगे, सो इन ब्रैकेट x minus 4. ओके, so x minus 4 into 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 or 5x is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 6 by 5. This is not possible. Okay, this is not acceptable because speed will become negative. So x is not equal to minus 6 by 5 because speed cannot be negative. Okay, so you have to write down the statement. Therefore x is equal to 4. Alright, so write down the final statement. Therefore the speed for first half of journey, that is x is equal to 4 km/h. Okay.